Hi, how are you doing today? Some time ago, I watched a very powerful TED Talk titled Three Secrets of Resilient People by Lucy Horn. Now, Lucy's story is heart-wrenching. She lost her daughter in a tragic car accident. But what struck me was how she transformed that unimaginable grief into a message of hope and resilience. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm an entrepreneur, an interior designer, a motivational speaker, an artist and poet, and I love sharing all things beautiful with you. Now, Lucy argues that resilience isn't just something you're born with. It's a skill that anyone can learn and practice. And let me tell you, her insights couldn't have come at a better time for me. Now let me ask you, have we not faced a challenge or a setback in our life? We all have, haven't we? Life has a way of throwing curveballs, doesn't it? But what can we do in those darkest moments? Let's see how Lucy's secrets help us. Secret number 1, accept that suffering is part of life. The first secret is acceptance. Lucy emphasizes that suffering is something everyone experiences at some point. It's part of the human condition. Instead of resisting it or feeling defeated, we can accept that it's a natural part of life. It happens to everyone. For me, I lost everything a few years ago. I was cheated both emotionally and financially. I was traumatized and broken and often asked myself, why me? It's only when I focused on accepting the situation and looking around to see that calamities not just happen to me, a fact that we all need to accept. It helped me to get up and get going. It helped me build my resilience, and yes, I was able to bounce back. So when we accept that challenges are inevitable, we can approach them with a clearer mind and a stronger heart. Secret 2, focus on what you can change. Now, this second secret is all about focusing on what you can control. It's so easy to get bogged down by things beyond our influence, like the past or other people's actions. But Lucy encourages us to shift our focus to what we can change. We are so hardwired to focus on the negative things that are beyond our control. But if we pause for a while to focus on all that we have and are grateful for, we can control what we can change. I focused on being grateful for having supportive parents, supportive friends who stood by me in the times of crisis. I focused on good health and so many things that I had to my side, which we take for granted. It helped me concentrate on my own actions, my own responses. I felt more empowered, a feeling that can be a game changer. Secret 3, ask yourself, is what I'm doing helping me or harming me? Now, this question is very powerful. It encourages self-reflection and helps us make choices that support our well-being. For example, after recent experience that I had, I kept going back to my chartered accountant asking him, how is it that it happened? How did I lose all the money? I also kept seeing photos of those who cheated me and feeling miserable, asking myself, how could they do this? It's only when I focused on asking myself, is what I'm doing helping me or harming me? That helped me put away the harmful stuff, stopped me from dwelling in the past and concentrate on only things that would help me build my resilience, bounce back and move forward. Trust me, This self-reflection has helped me take healthier decisions and a more fulfilling life. In my dark moments, it was Lucy's lessons that came back to me. I remembered that suffering is part of life, and I reflected on what I could control. I focused on my recovery and asked myself if my thoughts and actions were helping me to heal or making things harder. These insights were invaluable during a very challenging time, and I hope they help you too. So here's a quick recap. 1. Accept that suffering is part of life. 2. Focus on what you can change. And 3. Ask yourself if your actions are helping you or harming you. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. We are all in it together, learning and growing as we face life's challenges. If you found this video helpful, do give a thumbs up, do share it with friends, and yes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'd love to share more content with you. And till we meet next time, I believe in you. I love you. Take care.